In this video, we are going to discuss effect of feedback on control system. So, here we are having effect on gain, sensitivity and stability. These are the main effects due to feedback. So, on control systems gain, sensitivity and stability. So, here the overall gain of the system can be described by the equation, transfer function equation G by 1 plus GH. This is the transfer function or overall gain equation for the negative feedback control system. This is the transfer function equation for negative feedback control system which shows the overall gain. So, if you observe this equation, so this overall gain is controlled by the factor 1 plus GH here. So, 1 plus GH if increased or if it is greater than 1, then this value is going to reduce. If it is increasing means GH is greater than 1 or GH is positive. If GH is positive, this total value is keep on increasing. If this is increasing, the total gain of the system is going to decrease. That means, if you given positive feedback, if your GH value is negative, then this value will increase. If this value increase means, so you are going to decrease your overall gain. So, similarly, if you are increasing this value, overall gain will be decreased. This 1 plus GH value, if you are decreasing, then the overall gain of the system will increase. The overall gain of the system is going to increase. When we will decrease this 1 plus GH value, that means when GH is a negative value, then you are going to decrease the value. When GH is a positive value, then we are going to increase the total value. So, like this we are going to affect the gain of the system. Like this, the feedback is going to affect the overall gain of the system. If the feedback path gain is increased, then total gain of the system is going to decrease. If the feedback gain is decreased, then your overall gain is going to be increased. Coming to sensitivity. Sensitivity is a factor, it is a very important factor. So, here I am going to consider sensitivity as S. This S is equivalent to percentage change in transfer function divided by percentage change in gain. We can write our sensitivity in terms of transfer function and gain as percentage change in T divided by percentage change in G. So, that means dou T by T divided by dou G by G. So, like this we can write. So, saying I am writing like this, dou T by dou G into G by T. You can see. So, dou T by dou G into G by T. Same thing I am writing like this. Now, we know that the transfer function of negative feedback system is equivalent to G by 1 plus GH. I am considering up to here. So, dou T by dou G is equivalent to dou by dou G of, I am substituting this T value. So, now G by 1 plus GH. So, how we will do differentiation? So, here this is equivalent to V into du by dV, V into du minus u into dV divided by V whole square, V square. So, like that I am doing V into du means d by dou G of G, that is equivalent to 1, minus G into dou V. V is, this is in u by V form. So, dou V is nothing but with respect to G means you are going to get H here and divided by V square means, so 1 plus GH whole square. I am treating this as in u by V form u v into du minus du means with respect to g, if you are doing differentiation you are going to get 1 for g minus u into dv, this is v, 1 plus gh is denominator. So, you need to do differentiation for the denominator, then you are going to get h divided by v square, that means denominator square. So, this is equivalent to 1 plus gh minus gh divided by 1 plus gh whole square. So, this is equivalent to gh is going to cancel and we are going to get 1 by 1 plus gh whole square. So, this is the value of dou t by dou g. Now, I am going to get g by t value. So, what is the g by t value? By this only I am going to write g by t value as, so if you send this t to this side, you are going to get g by t value as 1 plus gh. You just consider this equation as equation number 1. So, from equation number 1 only you got this. This you can treat as equation number 2. And here from equation number 1 only you got this equation number 3. 2 and 3 you just substitute in S. From 2 and 3 your sensitivity value is equivalent to dou t by dou g value, you got 1 by 1 plus gh whole square, 1 plus gh whole square into, so here you are having g by t, g by t is nothing but 1 plus gh. So, finally, yes, sensitivity. So, sensitivity sometimes they will represent like this, sensitivity is equivalent to 1 by 1 plus gh. So, here sensitivity is also dependent upon 1 plus gh factor. If you are increasing your feedback path value, then sensitivity is going to reduce. If you are decreasing this value, if you are decreasing this value means gh, if gh is negative, then if gh is negative, then your value is going to decrease, then your sensitivity is going to increase. If you are having more positive value, this denominator is going to increase, total value sensitivity is going to decrease. So, here the sensitivity is also based on 1 plus gh value. If 1 plus gh is high, sensitivity is going to decrease. If 1 plus gh value is low, your sensitivity is going to increase. So, coming to stability, when we can say the system is more stable, whenever output is more controllable, whenever our output is in our control, then we can say that system is a stable system. So, here for example, if you are having control system transfer function like this, if your gh value is equivalent to minus 1, what will happen? You are going to get g by 0, g by 0 is equivalent to infinity. So, your overall gain or your output or anything is not going to be in your control. You are going to get infinity value in your transfer function. If your transfer function is equivalent to infinity, if your C of s by R of s value is equivalent to infinity, transfer function is nothing but C of s by R of s. C of s is equivalent to output transform, R of s is equivalent to input transform. If transfer function is equivalent to infinity, C of s by R of s is nothing but infinity. So, that implies your output is equivalent to infinity. When you are not having control on that system, you can't say that system is not stable. So, your stability is also controlled by the feedback. If your GH is equivalent to minus 1, you are losing your control. So, that is why you need to take care of your feedback to control the stability. So, that means your feedback is having effect on stability also. So, that is why you need to take care of stability. You need to take care of your feedback to get the better stability of the system. So, by this class we came to know that the overall gain of the system is going to affect by the feedback of the system. Generally, the gain of the system is G. For open loop system, the gain is just you are having gain G. But whenever you are having closed loop system, your overall gain is equivalent to G by 1 plus GH for negative feedback. So, overall gain of the system is going to affect by the feedback. If the feedback increases, the overall gain is going to decrease. Like that, sensitivity, we saw this. We got sensitivity as 1 by 1 plus GH. So, here also the sensitivity is going to affect by the feedback path. So, if this 1 plus GH is high or low, then your sensitivity is going to affect. Similarly, stability. Your system is stable whenever your output is having full control. So, output is controlled by this feedback now. So, whenever you are choosing better feedback, then only your system is having control on output. Whenever you are having control on output, then only you can say that is a more stable system. So, all these factors are going to affect by the feedback of the system.